Hey guys, teacher from MS Hot Tips here. Today I'm going to show a very simple Excel tip that helps you apply the same headers and footers to all sheets. As you can see, I have my sheet here, and if I go to the print preview, you can I have displayed a detailed header with the time, the title, and the name of the sheet. At the bottom, I've put the number of the page. So that's quite nice, and actually what I'd like to do the same for my other sheets, but if I go to a print preview for that sheet right now, as you can see, there's nothing. So instead of having to do the same thing for this sheet and that sheet, what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the same headers and footers that serve as a reference for this sheet and replicate them on the other worksheets of the book. So in order to do that, what you do is that you select the first sheet, you hit the Control key, and you select the two others where you want to apply the same headers and footers. Then you go to the menu, you go to Page Layout here actually, and you're going to focus on the Page Setup menu group and hit that button here, that little arrow, and you only have to click OK. So now if we go back to a print preview, so that page, the first page hasn't changed, of course, but if we move to the next page, the page that had the B letter, you can see that the headers have been applied, and you see that the name of the sheet is indeed part of the header, and that's the same for the page that had the letter C, sorry. At the bottom, you can see also that the page numbering has been updated. So that's it for today, guys. How to apply headers and footers to all the sheets of the workbook. And that was teacher from MS Hot Tips. See you guys later.